Good day. Today we're going to look at how to do a refund. So first of all, you press the down arrow and you select this refund button up over here. Then it will give you all your transactions you have done. This is so that it can be linked to a previous transaction, so that you can do a very specific credit note. You select the invoice that you want to do the refund on, and then you can select the item you want to do a refund on. If you want to do more than one, you just hold the control button and select, or the shift button to select all. So for now, we're just going to do this one item. We'll say refund the selected item. It will ask you for a reason. We just say we're testing. Okay, and then under payment, you can either remove it from an account or remove it from your cash or your card totals. So for now, we're going to say we want to remove it from our cash total.